Alright guys, this is my dad's lawnmower. I gotta work on it this summer. Or I might take it up, if I can't figure out what's wrong with it, I'll take it up to my buddy Rick at my home hardware store. That's my weed whacker. There's my blower. Well, I use that for the house. That's the one I use on the job site. That weed whacker has a hole in the gas line. I gotta get a new gas tank and line for it. It's the same. It's very similar to mine. It's like my brother gave it to me. Here's my two lawnmowers. This one I bought used. You can see I only buy yard machines, MTD. I don't buy fucking Honda lawnmowers. That shit's fucking garbage. They can't compare to fucking goddamn Biggs and Stratton. This is my new lawnmower I bought last summer. Ain't even a year old yet. But that lawnmower I bought used at my mom's old boss's store, or his pawn shop over in Beaver Falls. It was like almost brand new when I bought it. I'll see if I can get it started. Let me pump it first. It started earlier for me. Let's see if I can get it to start again. I'm trying to use up all the old gas in the gas tank and burn it out. Okay. Nah, it stopped. I still say they're putting something in the fucking gasoline. And I don't know what the fuck it is, but should start right up. This is a brand new fucking lawnmower. Ain't even a year old yet. I think the lawnmower is carboned up. Started earlier for me. It's all carboned up. I can tell you that right now. I gotta clean the engine with my blaster. But over the summer, I will make videos of showing you how to maintain them and keep them looking good, and just keeping the bottoms of them scraped. And there we go. I got it started. I'm trying to eat up all the gas in the gas tank. Plus it makes... Damn, this thing vibrates. I gotta take the blade off and see why. Let it run for a minute. Get all the juices flowing in the engine. Actually, this is what you're supposed to do if you have old gas in it. Start it up and leave it run. So it burns all the old gas out. gas tank. Oh, we're almost out, I think. We're almost out of gas, so let's see if it'll start up again and go. Ah, shit. Get all this fucking shit. That's one bad thing about this mower. Shit flies up from here. Okay. We have a little bit of gas left. I'm gonna burn it up. I gotta pump it first. My phone's vibrating. Yeah, I can smell the carbon from this damn lawnmower. It's built up bad. Let's see if it'll start. Yeah. Should be running out of gas any minute. Get all that old gas eating up. Tighten the handles on it. Alright, that's enough. It should be good. Should be good for right now. Oh, we're almost out, yeah. Let's see if it'll start up. Trying to get all that old gas eaten up in the... I don't think it's going to start again. So that's actually a good sign. Oh, it did. I'll be damned. Leave it go. Good enough. Now, yeah, I will make more videos on them whenever you, for, you know,